In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use checklist templates and task templates in ClickUp. We'll start with checklist templates, which are a great way to save time when you use the same set of action items over and over again. First, open ClickUp and choose the task where you want to create your checklist template. Once you're inside the task, scroll down to the action items section and click checklist. This is where you'll build the checklist that you want to turn into a reusable template. Next, enter a name for the checklist so it's easy to recognize later. After that, add each checklist item in the exact order it should be completed. This is especially helpful if your process needs to be followed step by step, since the save template will keep that structure. Once your checklist is ready, click the three-dot menu for that checklist. From there, select Save as Template. Then enter a name for the checklist template and save it. Try to use a clear, descriptive name so you can quickly find it in the future. When you want to use that checklist template, open any task where you need it and add a new checklist. You'll then be able to select your saved checklist template and apply it to the task. This makes it much faster to stay consistent across similar tasks without rebuilding the same checklist every time. Now let's move on to task templates. These are useful when you want to reuse not just a checklist, but an entire task setup. To create one, open a task that already contains the details you want to reuse. Then add everything you need included in the template, such as the description, subtasks, checklists, custom fields, assignees, priorities, and any other task information you want to standardize. After that, click the task's three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Templates and then choose Save as Template. Enter a name for the task template and then choose which task details should be included. This part is important because it lets you control exactly what gets carried over when the template is used. Once you've made your selections, click Save Template. To use your task template later, either create a new task or open an existing one, then click the three-dot menu. Select Templates, followed by Browse Templates. Find the saved task template you want to use, select it, and then click Use Template to apply it to the task. And that's it. You now know how to create and use both checklist templates and task templates in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.